Hello, everyone. Let us continue from where we ended. We ended over here, and I told you to at least try these few questions. But then I also told you to try this question. But now let me start from this same question. Mia and Paul are looking at the same whole number. Okay, if you take that number they are looking at, if you round it to the nearest thousand, Mia says if you round that number to the nearest thousand, the answer you get is 44,000. And Paul says if you round the same number to the nearest 10, it gives you 44,000. The question is, these people, both of them are correct. They are both correct. Now the question is, write down one possible value of the number. Only one possible value of the number. There may be some more than one possibilities, but here the question says write down one possible value of the number. Okay, so this number can be, we have 44,000, and here we have 44,000. This number can be 43, then 19, second 9, third 9. This is the number they're talking about. Now let us start with Mia. 40,999. According to Mia, if you round this number to the nearest thousand, let us see if we get 44,000. Okay, so where is the thousands place? We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So check on your right, it is 9. 9 is bigger than 5, so you'll be adding 1 here. So this is 4, and this is 4. Okay, the 999, all these 3 nines become 0. See? So Mia is correct. So the number is 43,999. Now, according to Paul, 4399, because they are looking at the same number. Okay. Let us round this number to nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10, this is ones, this is tens. Check on your right. There is 9. 9 is bigger than 5, so you'll be adding 1 to 9. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, but we don't write 10. We write 0, then we carry 1. See that? 1 plus 9 is also 10. We don't write 10, we write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Can you see that? So what happens on this 9? This 9 becomes 0. You see? So both of them, they are correct. So the number they are thinking of is, so write down one possible value of the number. The number they are thinking of is 43, then 999. The answer. If you have another possible value, please let me know. Or otherwise, let me check. 4399. Yeah, there is another possibility. Somebody can say, for example, 43998. Yes, this is one of the possibility. Okay, the last digit can be the first 2 digits should be 4399, but this digit, the last digit, must be either a 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5, but not below 5. See? So the numbers which we can get, possible numbers we can get, is one of the number is 43998, 43997, 43996, 43995. These are other possibilities. Okay. How? Because if you do this to nearest tens, check to your ones tens, check to this one, will be adding one over here, so this will give you, check this. How about nearest thousand? Yep, so these are other possibilities. Okay. Next is this question here. The population of a country is all these 3,963,000. Nope, this is 139,634,000. Write this number correct to the nearest million. This you can try. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then millions. Yeah. Check on your right, there is a 6, so you'll be adding one of there. Well, let me do this question. Seems to be tricky. So the number is 39634274. Okay, nearest million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then millions. Check on your right, then 6. Add 1 here. 9 plus 1, don't write 10. No. We write 9 plus 1. Okay. Now check on your right, there is 6. Add 1 here, so 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. 9 plus 3, that is 4. Okay, now 6 becomes 0, this becomes 0, becomes 0, becomes 0, becomes 0, becomes 0. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So this is the answer. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions. So that will be the answer. So here you write 40 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, write down in words the value. All right. Write down in words. Write down in words the value of the digit 4 in each of these numbers. The first one, again, the value, not the place value, the value of the digit 4 in each of those numbers. The first one has been done for you. The value of 4 here is ones, tens, so you write 4 tens. The value of 4 here is 0. I mean, this 0 is in place value of ones, tens, so it will be 4 tenths. Spelling is very important, tenths. And the value of 4 here, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so 4,000. Correct. Write the number correct to 2 decimal places. This I have already explained to you. You can refer to my previous video and try that. Otherwise, let me go to other videos, other pages. Okay, 44, it's page number 44. Here are times in seconds that 7 adults take to run a race. 40.8, 46.3, 49.2, 38.2, 44.0, 42.9, 45.5. Hassan calculates the mean time. He writes the mean time as this one. Write a comment about the accuracy that Hassan uses in recording the answer. Okay. First, you take your calculator. Take your calculator and then you work out the mean of these numbers. Okay. Work out the mean of this number. Now, to work out the mean of those numbers, what we do, first we put all the numbers in the calculator. So you do 40, 40.8, 40.8. To find the mean, let me explain it. To find the mean, we add all these numbers. The answer we get, we divide by how many numbers are here. So let us first add the numbers. 40.8 plus 46.3, then plus 43. So, okay, let us continue. 40.8 plus 46.3, then 40.8, 46.3, then 49.2 plus 38.2, 38.2, 38.2, then plus 38.2, then 44.0, then plus 42.9, then plus 45.5. Okay, now you hit is equal to, you will get the answer. In decimal. Now, this answer will be divided by how many numbers are here. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to divide by 7 to get the mean. So mean you have to add. Mean, to get the mean of numbers, you have to add all these numbers. Add those numbers and then divide by how many they are. I guess you have a primary knowledge about how to find the mean. Okay, so what is the answer we have got on the calculator? We have this number here. We got, calculate the mean time. So we got, on the calculator, we got 43.842, then 857, then 14, then 14. Okay. Now the mean time is 43. We have 43. 84. We have 84. 28. We have 28. 71. Okay, let me check. 43, 84, 28, 5, we have 5 here, then we have 7, we have 1. Okay. Now in the answer there is no 4. There is no 4 here. What does it mean? It means that this answer was obtained after this number has been rounded to how many decimal places? Now let us check. The answer we got is how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what we'll get from the calculator. But the answer that has been written over here is having how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But over here we have how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what does it mean? Write a comment about the accuracy that Hassan uses in recording the answer. So Hassan has rounded the answer. Which answer? Mention it. 43.84. Mention that answer. 43.8428. 285,714 to the nearest, has rounded that answer to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 7 decimal places. That is what Hassan has done. The answer had 8 decimal places, but Hassan has rounded this answer from 8 decimal places to 7 decimal places. That is the accuracy that Hassan has used. Write his answer to a more suitable degree of accuracy. Okay, the most suitable degree of accuracy is rounding the number to only 2 decimal places. To only 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Or 3 significant figures. Or 3 significant figures are the most suitable. Always, if there is no any instruction and the instruction is so silent, you just leave your answer to the accuracy of 2 decimal places or 3 significant figures. Either way, you make 2 decimal places, you make 3 significant figures, that is the best. Okay, now let me move on with the concept of 2 decimal places. Okay, now let us leave this decimal place, the concept of decimal places aside. Let us move with one thing here. Let me move with the concept of decimal places, because my previous answer talked about decimal places. So let me try to relate, or let me try to link my answer to this part. I answered this question using using the concept of decimal places and not significant figures. So even part B, I should go for the concept of decimal places. So write his answer to a more suitable degree of accuracy. What we do, we make this answer at least to have 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places. Let us put this number over here. We have 43.842857. Okay, so let us put it over here. 43.84285714. Now they need 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So check to the right. There is 8, so you'll be adding 1 over here. Then you'll be getting 3, 4, 8, 43.843. This is the answer to only 3 decimal places. Now, how about this 85714? You ignore them. For decimal places, don't keep zeros over here. You ignore them. Okay, can you see that? So here it will be 43. Let me write with a different color. So the answer here will be only 3 decimal places. 43.843 is the best. Okay, round this number to the nearest 1,000. You can try that. Round this to 1 decimal place. Also, you can try this. I've explained to you many times. Okay, let's go to another page. Okay, this page over here. Let me check if we can finish today. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I will try to go quickly and jump some stuffs over here. Okay, draw lines to join Okay, draw lines to join all the numbers to their values when rounded to nearest 100. Rounding a number to nearest 100, I've taught you, so you can try that. Round this number to nearest 100. The answer you get, match it with this answer. The first one has been done for you as an example, so you can try all those and try this. Try that. So you try this, also try that, also try this. Right, so try the entire question, right? So that you can try. Let me check this question here. This question says, the length of the longest side of this triangle is this longest side. This is short side compared with this side. This side is shorter than this side. So the longest side is this side here. This is the longest side. Okay, now the length of the longest side of this triangle is given by 1.9 square plus 2.4 square plus 1.9 times 2.4. Okay, calculate the length. Write down your full calculator answer. Oh, okay. I have to use a calculator because I'm told you to write down my full calculator answer. Okay, so what I do, I pull out my calculator, make sure that I clear my calculator. This calculator has to be cleared. Clear that and you're good to go. So type everything in the calculator. So we have 1.9 square. But the problem is with some other calculators which you have, you need to use brackets. I will show you how. But with my calculator, what I do, I simply type everything there. 1.9. With this calculator, I can do everything over there. 1.9 square plus 2.4 square. See that? Plus, then I have to open brackets here. Then do 1.9, then multiplied by 2.4. With this calculator, I can do straight away. Type everything there. Then when I hit is equal to, you see that? I'm getting 3.732291,521. This is what I can get. Okay. Now, so I'm getting 3.7. So I write the whole thing. 3.73. 3.73. 229. 229. 1521. 1521. Okay, 1521. Now, what is the next question? I mean, what if you don't have this kind of calculator? Now, there is a trick you have to do. My students have got a calculator different from this, so I'm helping them how to do that. So what you are going to do, you click your square root symbol. You click the square root symbol. Once after clicking the square root symbol, then you open the brackets. See, you open the brackets, and then you start typing the numbers. 1.9 square, then plus 2.4 square, then plus, again you open brackets, then you open brackets over there, the brackets which is there, the bracket which is in the question. So you do 1.9, then times 2.4, then close brackets. Do you remember the other brackets which we opened initially? So you have to close it. So you have something like this. So when you hit is equal to, do you notice that we are getting the same answer? 3.732291,521. You see? So if you don't put the brackets, you get wrong answers. Okay, so here we go. Now round your answer. Okay, this is the answer which we have got. 3.732291,521. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decimal places is not appropriate. To have 9 decimal places in your answer is not appropriate. So that is why we have this question here. Round your answer to part A. The answer to part A, this is the answer. This is the answer we have got to part A. So round your answer to part A. Round your answer to part A to appropriate degree of accuracy. So some people may be wondering, what does appropriate degree of accuracy mean? Appropriate degree of accuracy means 3 decimal places. That may be okay. Yes, means 3 decimal places. Okay. Or you can even put some like okay, so means 3 decimal places. Okay. Or you can even make 2 decimal places. Okay, you can even make 2 decimal places. Either way, but 2 decimal places may sound great. 2 decimal places. Or another one can use appropriate degree of accuracy, can use the concept of significant figures and make 3 significant figures. Is also appropriate. Okay, now should I move with the concept of 3 significant figures, or should I move with 2 decimal places? I guess in the previous page I talked about 2 decimal places. Now let me talk about 3 significant figures can also be appropriate. Now 3 significant figures, how many significant figures are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 significant figures. Now 3 significant figures is most appropriate. Okay, 1, 2, 3, put a border here, check on the right, there is a 2, add 0 here, so there is a 2. You know the theory behind this is 37.33. What happens here? You know the theory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For significant figures, all those turns into 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is answer number 1. Answer number 2, you know the theory. The decimal point is there. All the zeros after that can be cancelled. See that? You can cancel that and remain with 3.73. So you can either put 3.73 to 3 significant figures, or to 2 decimal places, still the same answer. Okay, 3.73, or you can just put 3.73. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, either way, I think you know the theory about significant figures. All right, let us end here. We'll continue later. Bye bye for now.